Ahoj, teď jsme tady u dalšího videa, konkrétně mám tady product managera, který je zodpovědný za produkt Max, nebo celou sérii telefonů Max a jmenuje se Tage. V tuto chvíli já zase přejdu do angličtiny a uděláme interview v angličtině a vy se můžete podívat na všechno s českýma titulkama. Okay, hello.
Hello.
I would like to introduce you to my audience. This is Tage. He's responsible for products of the whole Max series.
Yes.
Is it right? Yeah.
Yes. For the Max Pro series.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We just brought also the product here.
Yep.
It will be the brand new Max Pro.
Yes.
Which will be introduced in Europe later, but it's being sold in Asia right now. Is it
Already sold in Indonesia and India market, and Southeast Asia, like Malaysia, Thailand. We just launched 1 week ago. Yeah.
Perfect. So like the people in Czech, they don't know what is it about, but they already know what is Max series. The Max series is phones with a maximum battery size.
Yes.
Which I don't know. Previously it was like with 4,000 milliamperes. Is it like that? And now the Max Pro is coming with how much milliamperes?
How much
milliamperes the battery?
Oh, 5,000 milliamp battery.
5,000. Perfect.
Yes.
So that's a brand new. Like it's I think it will be a big competitor to Xiaomi Note phones.
Yes. Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's a very big competitor.
Okay. So as we get to the battery, because this is the main focus. How is it with fast charging the battery? Because 5,000 milliamperes, I think it would be charged a long time.
Yeah, actually, compared to Redmi Note 5 Pro, we have a data.
Yeah.
User only takes around 3 hours to charge the battery, but the Xiaomi needs 3 hours 20 minutes. So we are better than Redmi Note 5 Pro.
Okay, cool. But you have, I think, like I saw the presentation yesterday.
Yes.
And you were strongly comparing your phone against Xiaomi.
Yes.
I think also there's a better performance of the CPU.
We use the Qualcomm 636 CPU.
That's the same CPU, like
it's the same CPU as our product, like a Zenfone 5.
Yeah. So that's perfect.
It's perfect. Yeah. We have very good CPU but affordable price for the consumer.
Yeah,
it's a perfect product.
Because I don't know the exact price in Czech, but I think like it will be very competitive.
Yes.
Yeah, and ASUS also, they didn't decide the price tag in Czech, so everything will be speculation. So, but people tend to know the price of the Max phone product, so they can imagine it will be a phone like 5 to 6 or 7,000 crowns. But we don't know the price exactly yet. But the Snapdragon
336.
Okay, perfect. It's 636, or
yes.
This in Zenfone 5. That's perfect. But I don't know. I think like there won't be the Zen Boost technology. It's not present in Max Pro.
Actually, Zen Boost only exists in Zenfone 5.
Yeah.
Not in the Max Pro.
Yeah, so like the performance compared to Zenfone 5 will be slightly lower.
Yes.
Yeah. As I've seen the product yesterday, it made a big impression on me. And the one thing which I didn't like, only to be honest, on this product is the micro USB connector.
Oh, okay.
So why you still implement a micro USB when USB-C is for me like a standard?
Because in our survey, in the world market, almost 70% in this price segment still use the micro USB. 70%. So that's why we still design micro USB in this product.
So isn't there any chance to be like a leader, like to come up with USB-C?
Of course, we will consider in the next generation. No problem.
Yeah.
Yes, we will consider it.
Because I think like the price tag, if you just the spare part, I think the price is the same. Like if you just put a USB-C or micro USB.
Actually, micro USB is a little bit expensive than the sorry,
Is it?
Type-C is a little bit expensive.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
of the license fee or
Yeah,
what?
license fee
Uh-huh.
or some design is totally different.
Okay. I thought it's the same. Like, connector and connector, who cares?
Yeah.
So,
But I think it's not about the price. It's about the user, because users still like to use the micro USB. Because like in Taiwan, the cable we can buy in right now is most 90% market can only buy the micro USB.
wow.
It's not about the price. Yeah, it's about lots of people still used to use the micro USB cable.
Oh, okay,
That's the reason.
Yeah. Maybe in Taiwan, but in Czech Republic, I think like also like it's true. Sometimes when I just complain about why there is still micro USB. I want to have the micro USB in my phone for 10 years, for more than 10 years. Okay, but no problem. So let's get to another section, but because you mentioned like the people and in price tags and so on. So. For which target audience is this phone made for?
Actually, for our Max Pro product series, we focus on techie people, or some people who like to play the game but have very limited budget, like a student, yes, or high school student, because the gaming is very popular in the phone right now. Yeah, so we provide this kinds of affordable. High CP value and high performance phone for those TA.
Yeah. But as I can imagine, if I get back, like the product Nokia 3310, like
3310.
10 years ago.
Yeah, I know. I know this one. I miss it.
there was such a small battery, and it lasted for 14 days. Now all the smartphones, they just put more technology into it. But I think like the battery is still the same for 10 years. No one invests in a better battery.
Yeah.
That's pity.
Yeah.
So one of the last question is, we know that ASUS does a very decent job with camera in their phones. I know this phone is not like targeted to the audience like Zenfone 5. So which kind of camera is gonna be in this phone? Will be I know it won't be the same like in 5.
Sure.
But which kind of camera is if you can present the camera?
Actually, we still use very good camera in our product. As you can see here, we use the dual camera here.
Yeah.
Yes, and I think we will launch 30 megapixel and with the 5 megapixel. This one is for the depth.
For depth of field.
Yeah. So, and the front camera we also use very. I think the picture quality is very good. We use the 8 megapixel. Yeah. So for the camera we still we invest a lot of resource. To develop the camera quality.
So the performance of the camera should be better than also the same or on the same level or above the level like Xiaomi and so on. So
actually almost the same, a little bit winner. I think we respect them a little bit, almost the same. Some skill is almost the same. Some skill we win.
Okay.
Yeah. Like this one. For example, the Redmi 5 Plus. I think we are better than that.
Perfect.
But for the Redmi 5 Pro, I think we are as same as them. Yeah.
Okay.
Like
Cool.
this way.
I'm looking forward to test it.
No problem.
And what I like is also that camera doesn't go above the cover.
Yeah.
It's like almost with the back cover.
Yes, it's a metal back cover.
Yeah. And you know, like an iPhone and so on, like the camera stands out of the cover, but now it's flat, like similar.
Because we use the latest camera module. That's why we won't stick
you
up.
make it smaller.
Yeah, we make the camera module smaller.
Okay.
For
cool.
on this Max Pro series.
And one of the final question is like you usually put there 2 cameras, and the second camera is wide range.
Yes.
So, but at this phone you just put there the camera which is more focused to the portraits.
Because we think with different product line has different feature. So we think a Max Pro feature, people would like to use the depth camera to take a picture for the depth. Oh, I forgot how to say it.
No problem. I know what you mean.
Yeah.
So that will be the complete Max Pro. So if we just do the summary, it will be a phone for like target audience, for students and for people who want to have a long-lasting phone on the battery.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like if you just can imagine take a phone for the weekend and you don't need to bring a charger with you.
Yes.
Still with a decent camera.
Yes. Large battery. Yeah.
Large battery. Yeah, that's what I told you. So I think like that will be, and also the price tag, which I think like ASUS will make on this phone. I think the price tag it will be perfect value for the price.
Yes.
Value for money.
I think as well.
Yeah, I hope this phone will be sold good in Czech Republic.
Thank you. It's well.
So thank you for this interview. It was pretty quick, but this is also a phone which we already know. So thank you, and I hope to see you maybe with another phone, with Max Pro 2 or something like that.
No problem. No problem. We will launch it next. No problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.